Guys, we have some bad news. Steven the Bear is now gone. Steven the Bear is now gone? I miss Steven so much.
I love Steven. Wow. Oh.
Whoa! Yeah! Steven's gone! You are a naughty tank engine. What did you just say to me? You are a naughty tank engine. That's it. This is Mr. Moose. You're going to pay for that. Excuse me a second. Wait. I can explain. Wait, Mr. Moose. Ow! 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 Thomas! Stop! Ow! 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 You do not call me a bad, naughty angel like that. Do you understand me? Yes, sir. Good. You also join your choice for your punishment. Now get back to work. Ow!